lifelong resistant dental addict. Since I was a kid, I had braces. And so I spent a lot of time going to dentists, and I think these are the best dentists I've ever been to. They're very friendly, very nice, they use the latest technology, and they really know how to minimize pain. I think that the regular cleanings every few months are really essential. I haven't had a dentist that emphasized that. And the work they do is, it seems complete, and again, also really easy to talk to, good advice. If a consult's needed, they recommend I go get a consult for something. But basically the care is just very, very good. I strongly recommend.